English Learning Network.
50 short and useful sentences. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Finish your meal. Finish your meal. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Do your homework. Do your homework. Clean your room. Clean your room. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Eat your vegetables. Eat your vegetables. Drink some water. Drink some water. Share your toys. Share your toys. Don't fight. Don't fight. Be polite. Be polite. Say thank you. Say thank you. Say sorry. Say sorry. Get ready for school. Get ready for school. Pack your bag. Pack your bag. Don't be late. Don't be late. Go to bed. Go to bed. Turn off the TV. Turn off the TV. Sit properly. Sit properly. Don't shout. Don't shout. Speak clearly. Speak clearly. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Hold my hand. Hold my hand. Come here. Come here. Don't touch that. Don't touch that. Be careful. Be careful. Stop running. Stop running. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Open the door. Open the door. Close the window. Close the window. Pick up your toys. Pick up your toys. Fold your clothes. Fold your clothes. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. Tie your shoelaces. Tie your shoelaces. Wash your face. Wash your face. Take a bath. Take a bath. Finish your milk. Finish your milk. Eat slowly. Eat slowly. Hurry up! Hurry up! Wait for me. Wait for me. Play nicely. Play nicely. Don't cry. Don't cry. Smile, please. Smile, please. Go outside. Go outside. Come inside. Come inside. Don't spill it. Don't spill it. Hold the glass carefully. Hold the glass carefully. Say good night. Say good night.
If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Learning Network for more English lessons. Thanks for watching. See you next time.